Maddie, the water's starting to fill up. It's so pretty.
The water feels so nice.
Ah, 'tis nice for now, but I've seen many's the castle crumble into that there sea.
We built this castle from water and sand. It's the finest castle in all the land. We built this castle from water and sand, all for Sailor Nancy.
From seashells we made the windows with the feather in the dirt like a flag. When the wind blows seashells, we made a lovely home for Sailor Nancy.
Ah, but that there tide is coming in. What'll happen to the castle when the waves come near? If that there tide keeps coming in, watch out, Sailor Nancy.
Oh no, Triggs! The castle walls are starting to fall into the moat. And the shells and feathers too.
Castle walls are falling down. Ah, watch out, the sailors shout. Castle walls are falling down. Take cover, Sailor Nancy.
The tides came in and the waves got closer. Our castle got swallowed up by water. The tide came in and the waves got closer. Farewell to Sailor